Hi, I'm Thomas Ferreira, divorce, family law attorney and mediator in Carlsbad, California. And today I want to talk to you about some financial planning, particularly on the subject of how to plan for the amount of support that you either need or are going to be paying. A lot of people refer to 2 o'clock in the morning as the Insomniac Hour. And the reason for that is that a lot of times people wake up at around 2 o'clock and they're worried about money. They're worried about how they're going to survive, how they're going to get through their process, how they're going to support their kids, and other survival type of issues. I have found that it's really helpful to have a financial plan and know where you are financially and what your spending is going into the process so that you can plan your move out or how much you're going to be paying or how to keep things going during the process of divorce, and then of course after the process is over. In my own case, I was able to do that. I got a divorce about 10 years ago, and we owned a home together, and my ex-wife needed to move out, and I was able to figure out, look, what are you going to need? What's your nut? What is your spending? And we were able to figure out a number before we ever did our support calculation. What I advise you to do is do an Excel spreadsheet and figure out basically what you spend every month, what I refer to as your nut. That is what you need to make your income equal your expenses. And plot this all out on a spreadsheet so that you know in advance how you're going to get through. And when you do the spreadsheet, don't just do one for now and what you're currently going through. Because when I was in my divorce, we had a home that we were paying a mortgage on, and we also had to figure out how to pay for rent for her to move out. So really, there's no way that my income was going to cover all of those expenses. And sometimes temporarily, you're going to have to dip into some other resources. But you also want to have an idea of where you're going. So you want to plan for those future expenses that you're going to have after the separation and after the divorce. So I would do 2 budgets, one for right now and one for your post-separation budget. Normally, child support and temporary spousal support are calculated using numeric formulas, and you can get one of these numeric formulas. At least for child support, you can go online to Department of Child Support Services, and they have a child support calculator. Spousal support is a little more difficult. Give us a call and we can perhaps walk you through that. But we have created in our office, or we have in our archives, a budget that we use and that we give to our clients. And if you click the button below, I'd be happy to send you one free of charge that you can use to do this important financial planning. So plan ahead, because people generally don't plan to fail, they just fail to plan. Thank you.